Are you ready? Gold IRA moves to make before it's too late. Uncertainty in today's economy leaves many retirees exposed to risks they never planned for. Inflation rises, markets swing, and paper assets lose value overnight. A Gold IRA can be the safeguard that preserves retirement wealth. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. The key is to act before instability deepens. 1. Evaluate your portfolio, identify weak spots in your retirement plan. If stocks and bonds dominate, diversify with gold to create balance. 2. Select a trusted custodian, only work with custodians experienced in Gold IRAs. Transparency, fair fees, and compliance are essential. 3. Stick to approved gold. The IRS only allows specific bullion and coins. Choosing the wrong assets can trigger penalties. 4. Control fees. Hidden storage or maintenance charges eat away at savings. Demand clarity before committing. 5. Invest consistently. Waiting for the perfect time often leads to missed opportunities. Steady allocation helps manage volatility. 6. Secure storage matters. Your gold must be held in an approved depository with full insurance. Never compromise on safety. 7. Plan for liquidity. Gold protects wealth but isn't as liquid as cash. Keep reserves for emergencies. 8. Track policy and markets. Global events and central bank actions can impact gold's performance. Stay informed to adjust early. 9. Avoid panic decisions. Market fear tempts rash moves. Discipline and strategy protect long-term gains. 10. Rebalance regularly. Review allocations to ensure your Gold IRA continues to align with evolving retirement needs. Retirement security cannot be left to chance. By making smart Gold IRA moves now, you shield wealth from uncertainty and prepare for the financial storms ahead. The question remains, are you ready to act before it's too late? Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.